Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix iPhone 7 green screen. You might rely on your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus to do jobs or chat with friends. So when the iPhone 7 screen turns green suddenly, it can be extremely frustrating. The display might show green tint or completely green, sometimes along with horizontal lines. Many factors could cause the iPhone 7 green screen of death. Software-related reasons include temporary system errors, iOS update failure, mistaken display filter configuration, unknown malware attack, etc. Hardware damage like broken display, loose LCD connector, water damage and so on will also render iPhone 7 screen turning green issues. Don't worry though, there are some simple solutions you can try first to resolve iPhone 7 green screen at home before turning to the experts for hardware inspection. Here we go. Step 1. Force restart iPhone 7 with green screen. The first suggestion is simple. Force turn off your iPhone 7, then turn it back on. This step can effectively resolve any temporary glitching that may be causing iPhone 7 screen turning green issues. No need to touch the screen so you don't worry about if the display is unresponsive. We'll tell you how to do that. On your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus, press and hold both the volume down button and the power button at the same time. The green screen should then become black in seconds. Still hold both buttons. When an Apple logo appears, let go of both buttons and let iPhone 7 boot up itself. Now, you should see iPhone 7 green screen issues are fixed and it becomes usable again. Step 2. Turn off the green filter on display settings. Sometimes, your iPhone 7 suddenly has a yellow tint on the screen. It only adjusts the colors of the display to green tones and you can still access the settings. In this case, it's possible that your iPhone 7 screen turns green due to the enabled green filter. You can toggle it off to see if the green screen on iPhone 7 disappears. We'll tell you how to do that. Go to Settings. Scroll down a little bit and tap General. Tap Accessibility. Choose Display Accommodations. Select Color Filters. See if it's set to green filter. If so, just toggle off the color filters option. Now, go back to the home screen and see if the iPhone 7 removes the green tint on the display. Step 3. Update iPhone 7 OS. So many users claim that iPhone 7 screen turns green after updating to the latest iOS version. As we all know, updates often bring new features and system performance improvement. Though, it's still possible that something goes wrong during the update or the new iOS firmware itself conflicts with the current settings. To fix a green screen on iPhone 7 here, consider doing an update again through recovery mode. It lets your iPhone be in a clean and troubleshooting mode and allows you to use a computer to install the safe and complete firmware into it. We'll tell you how to do that. Get a Windows or Mac computer. Connect your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus to it. Open Apple devices, iTunes or Finder after installing one of them. Now, follow these steps to enter recovery mode. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons even when you see the Apple logo flashes. When the recovery mode screen pops up showing a laptop and cable, release both buttons and head to the computer. The Apple devices, iTunes or Finder should give you a dialog box saying Update and Restore. To fix iPhone 7 green screen problem without losing data, choose the Update option. Select Next, choose Agree and then the application will start downloading the latest iOS firmware that's compatible with your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus and install it. From my experience, the whole process takes around 2 hours to complete. All you need to do is to wait and put the device back to recovery mode if it leaves during the update. When all is done, your iPhone 7 will reboot and the screen should display normal color balance instead of turning green again. Step 4. Wipe clean iPhone 7 to do a reset. A factory reset will be a last-ditch option as an iPhone 7 green screen of death fix. This is because it will delete all user data stored on the local device. You're only allowed to retrieve the data from previous backups. If you do have a data archive, then feel free to perform a factory restore to fix when iPhone 7 screen goes green. We'll tell you how to do that. On your computer, connect your phone to it and run Apple devices, iTunes or Finder. To put iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus into recovery mode, Press and hold the volume down button and the power button simultaneously for a while until the recovery mode screen appears. Lay it down on the desk and turn to the application window on your computer. From the popping up dialog box, select the Restore option. Select Next, choose Agree, and then the application will start erasing everything you've saved and install the latest iOS firmware to fix the green screen of death on iPhone 7. If the green screen disappears after the reset, then you're good to go. If the iPhone 7 screen is still green, consider calling Apple online or visiting the authorized repair store in person for more tech support. That's all for how to fix a green screen on an iPhone 7. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.